Good morning, students. Welcome to Rashtriya classes. In our previous video, I have discussed chapter 8, cell, structure and its functions. Today, we will discuss chapter 9, reproduction in animals. What is the name of the topic? That is reproduction in animal. Now, what is reproduction? Reproduction means to produce young ones, to give birth to young ones. That is reproduction. Now, the subtopic that we covered in these lessons are: first, mode of reproduction; second, sexual reproduction; third, fertilization; fourth, development of zygote; and last topic, young one to adult and metamorphosis. So, firstly, we will start from our topic, the mode of reproduction. How many modes of reproductions? There are mainly two modes of reproductions in animals: asexual mode of reproductions and sexual mode of reproduction. Now, asexual mode of reproduction. A means single sex organs, single organism take part in reproduction. That is asexual. Then how will you define? In this mode of reproductions, no fusion of male gamete and female gametes. कि asexual reproduction में there is no fusion of male and female gametes. Therefore, male and female individuals are not required. कि both male and female individual are not required in such type of reproduction. Such type of reproduction can be occur by a single individual. कि asexual reproduction में हम बात करते हैं तो there is no need of two individual male and female gametes and male and female individuals. Only one individual required for the asexual reproductions. If we take the example, then amoeba, हमारे पास और आता है hydra. Such type of organisms show the asexual reproductions. Our second is sexual reproduction. The type of reproductions which involve the fusion of male and female gametes to form the zygote. Means when male gamete and female gamete fuse together, combine together, they form the structure that is known as the zygote. Male and female individuals are essentially required. Means in such type of reproduction, both the male and female individuals are required. Such type of reproduction cannot be occur by a single individual, as in case of asexual reproduction. For example, in sexual reproductions, human, dog, cat, they requires the two individuals, male and female individuals. So, next we will discuss asexual reproductions in animals. अब हम asexual की बात करते हैं. In a very small animals, common processes of asexual reproductions are: first क्या है, binary fission and second is budding. कि asexual reproduction या तो binary fission के द्वारा होती है या budding. Now what is binary fission? Asexual reproduction are of two types. One is binary fission, second is budding. Mainly तो binary fission, binary means two, जिसके क्या है, एक सेल दो में डिवाइड होता है. In binary fissions, it is common mode of asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Such type of reproduction is common in This is a common mode of asexual reproductions in unicellular ऑर्गेनिज्म की इस टाइप की एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन केवल यूनिसेलुलर, जिनमें जो ऑर्गेनिज्म सिंगल सेल से बने हुए हैं उनमें केवल बाइनरी फिजन होता है. सच टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन अकर सच एज अमीबा एंड बैक्टीरिया. ओके. In unicellular organism, when the individual cell is fully matures. अब कैसे होती है? Now this is your amoeba, unicellular organism. When it fully matures, first here this is the nucleus and this is the cytoplasm and this is the cell membrane. So when this amoeba fully mature, first of all the nucleus divided into two nuclei. Here first of all, in first process nucleus divided into two nuclei. Second, after that first nucleus divided into two nuclei and then the cytoplasm. This cytoplasmic material, this divided into two part, into two. Then the cell finally divided into two daughter cell, having the cell finally divided into two daughter nuclei. This is the this single cell divided into two nuclei. This is a binary fission. Next, budding. Binary fission occur in the amoeba, and second is budding. It is a common mode of asexual reproduction in Hydra. Such type of reproductions, budding, occur in case of Hydra. In this process, a bulb-like, here this is a structure, this is a bulb-like structure's outgrowth. In this process, a bulb-like structure projection is formed on the body of organism. Body की जो organism है, this is the Hydra, this is the structure of Hydra. Here, this bulb-like projections grow on the body of the organism, and this bulb-like projections is known as the bud. It is known as the bud, and the process is known as the budding. Now this bud is separated from, now this bud when it grow, when this bud grow, it's separated or detached from the parent's body and develop into a new individual. This is the budding and it occur in case of Hydra. Now questions are here. Now questions are here. Our first question, write the main aim of reproduction. कि एम ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन का मेन उद्देश्य क्या है? रिप्रोडक्शन हमने बात करी, व्हाट इज रिप्रोडक्शन? रिप्रोडक्शन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग यंग वंस, दैट इज रिप्रोडक्शन. देन व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन? द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ. अगर रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होगी तो लाइफ प्रोसेस नहीं होगा. तो what is the main aim? Continuation of the individuals or the continuity of life. Our second question, name the two mode of reproductions. कि दो मोड रिप्रोडक्शन के कौन कौन से हैं? अभी हमने पढ़े asexual mode of reproduction and second is the sexual mode of reproduction. Our next question is, what is asexual reproduction? A means जिसमें single parents involve है reproductions में, उसको बोलते हैं हम asexual reproduction. Then how will you define it? The type of reproductions in which a single parents involve, that is known as the asexual reproductions, or you can say that the type of reproduction in which no fusion of male and female gamete, both are the same thing. Now next question is, what is sexual reproduction? Sexual means two parents are, two individuals are involved. Then how will you define? The type of reproductions in which the two individuals, male and female individuals, are involved in reproduction, that is known as the sexual reproduction. Our next question, name the mode of reproduction in which fusion of मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट्स टेक्स प्लेस। उस मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन को हम क्या कहते हैं जिसमें मेल और फीमेल गैमेट आपस में फ्यूज करते हैं, कंबाइन करते हैं। सच टाइप ऑफ मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इज नोन एज सेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन। क्योंकि हमने बात करी कि सेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन में दो पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व हैं, मेल पेरेंट्स एंड फीमेल पेरेंट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम द कॉमन मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इन अमीबा एंड हाइड्रा। कि हाइड्रा में कैसा मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन है और अमीबा में कौन से टाइप का मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन है। तो मेनली हम बात करते हैं एसेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन। और एसेक्सुअल में कौन सा मोड है अमीबा में, बाइनरी फ्यूजन, एंड इन हाइड्रा दैट इज बडिंग। ओके, our next topic that is sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? हमने बात करी कि जिसमें दो पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, मेल पेरेंट्स एंड फीमेल पेरेंट्स। देन what is sexual reproduction? Type of reproduction which involve the fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Now what are the male gamete and female gametes? What is male gamete and female gamete? Male gametes. The male sexual unit is called as the male gamete. Male sexual unit, उस male gametes कौन सा है हमारे पास? That is sperm. The male gamete is known as the sperm. This is the structure of sperm. And the female gamete, the female sexual unit is known as the female gamete. And that is the egg or the ovum. Male gamete कौन सा हो गया हमारे पास? Sperm. And female gamete is the egg or you can say ovum. The organism which produce male gamete are called as male, and those who produce female gametes are called females. Means जो male है, male individual है, that produce the male gamete, and the female individual produce the female gametes. Now reproduction in human. रिप्रोडक्शन इन ह्यूमन, कि ह्यूमंस में रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे होती है। तो पहले आता है कि मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स, फिर उसके बाद हम डिस्कस करेंगे फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स के। फर्स्ट आते हैं हमारे पास मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स। मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ पेयर ऑफ टेस्टिस, a scrotum, pair of epididymis, a pair of vasa differentia, pair of ejaculatory duct, and urethra, penis, and certain glands. First of all, testes. Two testes are suspended in a thin pouch of skins and connective tissue called sacrotal sac located outside the main body cavity behind the penis. Millions of sperms are produced in the testes and are stored there in the epididymis. Means जो male gametes है वो कहाँ पे produce होते हैं? That are produced inside the testes and then are stored in the epididymis region. Second, vasa deferens. From each testis originate a tube called vasa deferens. कि जो testis है हमने कहा कि there is a pair of testis. तो टेस्टिस के पेयर में से कि ईच पेयर क्या करता है? ओरिजिनेट ए ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज वासा डिफरेंस. The sperms which die out are broken down into the small molecules. They are absorbed by the lining cell of the vasa deferens. Means जो sperms डाई हो जाते हैं उनको स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स में टर्न हो जाते हैं. They are absorbed by the lining of vasa deferens. That's all about this. Next topic we will discuss in our next videos. Thank you, beta.